fans.
Okay, cannonball routine. Kutztown University.
Hello.
January, what is this? 18th?
Yeah.
2013. We've already done 20 donkey kicks. Ow.
Oh, I got you.
Out of the way. Now we're doing 20 scorpions. Now we're at the most fun part. 5 Rockies, otherwise known as clap push-ups.
Okay, these are really good, Coach. What does this even do?
It gives you an anaerobic stimulus, which is basically your muscles and tendons.
Interesting.
Feel good?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Up next, donkey whips, 5 each leg.
Okay.
Kids at home, this is how you get good.
This is, yeah.
That's what the pros do.
Let's keep that leg a little straighter. There you go.
10 times a day.
Let's look at this form. This is impeccable form.
I don't know about that, Coach. You're like, come over here.
Oh, wow.
I know.
All right.
What's up next?
Lower body crawl. Do you remember that one?
Is that the swimming one?
No, that's next. Here, would you like to film me while I
Sure.
demonstrate?
Now we have the master going.
Demonstration.
Let's go.
Lie down, hand out to the side.
Oh, we forgot about these.
Yep.
Alright.
Let's see. We got 5 each leg.
Coach, I'm pretty sure we're gonna get MRSA from doing this on the floor.
Gonna get what?
MRSA.
I don't even know what that is.
It's like we learned about it in biosport. It's like a skin bacteria disease.
That's disgusting. Why'd you say that?
It's pretty
Okay.
serious.
Now Eagles, 10 each leg.
Gosh.
Oh, easy.
Alright, whatever.
400s now. Hey, if we're here long enough, we'll see Dalton.
What are they doing before Dalton goes?
What? He's the 5th heat, I think. Yep.
Anyone still doing the 4x4?
What?
Is anyone still doing the 4x4?
I think, yeah, we're still doing all the 4x4s.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I don't even know I'm on.
Oh, look. Here come the authors of the other video.
Pages.
We're doing a video to try to get more views than your video.
What? You put it on YouTube?
We will.
No, you won't.
Yeah, we will.
Competition.
Wait,
We're
okay.
getting more views than them. It's happening.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we'll just call it video like
Side
Justin
pedestal leg lift. 5 each leg.
We're pros at this, Coach.
Yeah. Boom. Look at that.
Matt, you want to interview?
Yo, can we make another one that's better?
No.
Put it on YouTube with the deceiving title. It's like Justin Bieber. He's not bad.
Coach, we should put this on and then Rickroll everyone.
Put what?
Rickroll.
Oh, yeah. That's even better. Okay, now is the Australian crawl. That's the swimming
Oh,
one.
these are the best.
Yep, 20 strokes.
Matt, okay, come back here right now.
These are the best right here.
Is that his phone?
Let's go.
You still have phone cash.
Let's go. Michael Phelps versus Ryan Lochte.
Ryan, like
We're swimming towards each other
Yes.
in the same lane.
It actually hurts my lower back a lot.
Yeah, it does. Puts a strain on it.
Yeah, that's part of what it's for.
Well, then we're doing it right.
Well, good. Next up, you have groiners, 5 each leg.
It's all my stuff.
All right.
Is that what you like to do?
Exactly. Yep.
Ryan just laughed.
Looks like you're going solo for a little while.
Yes. I don't know why he laughed. Oh, they stole his phone.
Sorry, guys.
That's all right. 5 each leg.
Are we done?
Groiners.
I like this one.
I'll wait while you catch up.
Yeah, those feel good, don't they?
It feels sweet.
Yeah. I feel so good after I do this routine. I feel like so loose. All right, hurdle seat exchange.
These things are sweet. I think you feel awesome.
Yeah.
Rolling thing.
I know that.
I'll give you plenty of space.
Kind of like, just give everyone. Alright, fine.
Yeah. This is true. This is gonna
I'm
be
not sure where I should go. There you go.
I'm gonna kill you guys.
Watch out.
And then I'll go.
Go faster. You feel like the goofiest looking kid doing that.
Don't worry, I'm watching them.
I was like, I'm either gonna die or like, I saw that, but I was about to go on the roll.
Oh boy. They're sabotaging us. Okay, quick leg cycle. 5 each leg.
Put it in your pocket.
It's just 5 minutes, man. You can like, 5 minutes.
Quick leg cycle.
Oh, okay, I got it.
5 each leg.
No, I'm just gonna.
All right, hurdle trail leg forward, and then backwards 5 times each leg.
This doesn't really give any support whatsoever.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my. No, I'm so good. I should pick five. I want to save notes in his pocket. They can live in the cat did that, so that was so funny and brag. Alright, want the money? Want the money, right? Come on, get out. I have the money, man.
All right, leg swings.
Wait, just
10 times each leg. Yep.
What did you say about 6,400? Oh.
After Golden Season, I'm just going to go in there and
Fabulous slide.
JK. Probably do some stretching, light stretching.
Yo,
Get some strides.
some lucky person is gonna get a ton of money.
Like $10.
All right.
Exciting.
There you go. Same thing.
Pizzazz.
What?
We got some pizzazz, you know.
We got Dalton, I think. We got Dalton coming. This will be some pizzazz. Let's see. Let's see. I think this is his heat.
A surprise for
There he is. Dalton LeCoe. Let's go, Dalton!
Oh my gosh. This is going in my pocket.
surprise 400 in the middle of the cannonball.
Sit and kick. Sit and kick.
Sit and kick. Look at him. He's sitting. He's sitting.
That is not 100% for Don. He is sitting.
Okay, then bent leg. Leg swings, and then you're done.
Yo, I gotta see this. Yo, Jacob, get out of the way. Rob's trying to go.
Okay, Jesus, Matt, take it easy.
Come on, Dalton!
Dalton.
Gotta go.
Let's go, Dalton! Come on, Dalton! Get out! Get out!
Classic, yeah, I know. Oh my gosh. He's running off the track. Oh yeah, he's gonna go again.
He's gonna get him.
Let's go, Dalton!
Dalton! Oh no!
No!
Did he get him? I can't
I don't think so.
What a jerk. What a jerk. Come on, let him win. I'll put the pass on the inside of the track.
That was his first loss in like
That's his first loss of the farm.
All right, Ryan Gilbert finishing it up.
I'll finish this track. It's hard.
Finish strong, finish strong.
Where's that finish?
All right. That was it. Cannonball 2013.
Yeah,
Living it up. This is Teardrop out.